Hi, it's craftytinas here, and today we are going to make a Puffy sticker refill. If you've seen my other videos, I make all of my Puffy stickers using my own refills and not purchasing the store-bought. One, they're too hard to find, and two, they're too expensive. Puffy stickers are made using the We Are Makers Puffy sticker and shaker insert. It comes with everything you need, including 5 refills of Puffy stickers and shakers. You need a button press in order to use the Puffy sticker refill kit. Now, let's get started. My husband cut all my foam with a laser. This is 3mm foam. You can't cut it with a Cricut or a Silhouette, so I had to be resourceful and he cut the foam for me. But I was determined to make something to where everybody could make their own refills. So after researching and trial and error, I found what is basically a tool for men. It might be in your husband's shop. If it is, go steal it out. It is a punch set, and it's basically for cutting gaskets or cutting leather. Now, in order to make the Puffy sticker, you need to cut a 35mm piece of 3mm foam, and it's pretty thick. I got this on Amazon. It's a full set. It includes multiple sizes, and it's going to be important because in another video, I'm going to show you how to make your shaker refills. And without this multi-size kit, you would not be able to do that. So all you need is your tool and the largest die cut, which is 35mm. It's very simply screwed on. Don't touch the edges, they are sharp. Once you screw it on, you need very basic items. A 2x4 for hitting, and a 2x4 for the surface. Now I cannot hit on my table up here, it's wobbly and plastic. I bought 3mm sheets of foam off of Amazon, and this is what my husband cut all of mine out with a laser. You can do this at home by buying this kit. You simply place this down on your foam. Using the 2x4, you hit it really hard. You can use a hammer. I don't like the sound of metal touching metal, so that bothers me. So I just simply went out and got a piece of 2x4 out of the shed. Give this a really good whack, and what you end up with is a piece of 3mm foam that's the perfect size with a tiny pinhole in the center. Can you see that? That's going to be very important in my next video when I show you how to make the shaker inserts. This is a multi-step process, but you can make all of the pieces now simply using this kit. Now on Amazon, it's $39.99. I got it on sale and I had reward points, so I didn't really pay much for it, but I was very determined to make sure that everybody could make their own Puffy sticker refills. Because all you need is a 3mm foam by 35mm across, and you need double-sided adhesive sheet. And I simply took double-sided adhesive sheets from Amazon again and used my die cut that comes with the Puffy sticker and shaker insert. This die cut comes with this in order to make your top image. So you can use this to cut your double-sided adhesive, and now you have the exact items that are in your refill pack, which is pretty pricey if you can find them. I think right now you can finally get these on Amazon, but you still can't get the shaker inserts. And everybody wants a shaker, right? I mean, who doesn't? So that's how you make a Puffy sticker using a hollow punch set. Now it's important that your punch set have the punch center because you're going to need this to make your shaker later. You do not need it to make your Puffy stickers. And there you go. How to save money and be useful. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can come back and see how I make the more complicated but very easy shaker inserts.